In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious breakfast toast cups recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 6 slices of bread, 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of bacon bits, a 1/4 cup of ham, a 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon parsley, 2 tablespoons of feta cheese. We're going to start by using a rolling pin to flatten out each slice of bread. Cut slits in each corner of the bread. Melt the butter in the microwave. Brush both sides of each slice of bread with the butter. Place the bread slices into a muffin tin. We're going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Scramble the egg until smooth. Season with the salt, pepper, and the parsley. Add the ham, bacon bits, and the cheddar cheese. We're going to scoop some of our egg mixture into each of our toast cups. Top with feta cheese. We're going to bake these in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Our breakfast toast cups are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.